Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we scale an object in AutoCAD. So to scale an object, we have here two rectangles. This one is here for just reference. That is, these two are the same rectangles and the dimension are also same. Here is the height is 2 unit and the length is 4 unit. So to scale it, you just have to click on this home button, and here in this modify group, you'll have to click on the second option in this third row. Just click on that and this command will be activated. Now you have to select the object, then press enter, and then you have to select the base point. I will select this interior part of this object. Now you have to enter how much times you want to increase the scale. So let's suppose I want to increase it by 5 times, so I will enter 5 and enter. So as you can see, your object is been scaled. Now you can check it, the height and the length. Primarily the height was 2 unit and the length was 4 unit. So now it should be 2 5s are 10, this should be 10 and this should be 20. So let's check it out. This is 10 and this is 20. So this way you can scale an object. Similarly, you can use the shortcut, that is SCA, and then press enter. Again, select the object like here and press enter. Select the base point inside the object and then enter the scale. Like this time I want to decrease its scale, that is 0.5. Press enter. And as you can see, the height is now from 2, now it's 1, and the length is from 4, now it's 2. So this way you can use the scale an object. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.